Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has played down concerns over Lebo Mothiba's latest injury setback, but admits the striker remains a doubt for their decisive FIFA Club World Cup group stage clash against Brazilian giants Fluminense. Sundowns, currently third in Group F, must secure all 3 points to book their place in the round of 16. They trail group leaders Fluminense by a single point, with Borussia Dortmund sitting just above the South African champions on goal difference. Mothiba, who scored in the thrilling 4-3 loss to Dortmund, has made an immediate impact since joining the Pretoria-based side. The former Strasbourg forward has featured in all three of Sundowns' recent high-stakes fixtures, including both group games and CAF Champions League final. However, his promising return to form has been hampered by what appears to be a muscle strain. This after a prolonged spell on the sidelines recovering from a serious knee injury. Speaking to reporters ahead of the clash at Miami's Hard Rock Stadium, Cardoso acknowledged the fine margins involved in managing player fitness during such a congested schedule and said everyone can see the quality Lebo brings. He's had such a tough journey with injuries and it's clear how much he's invested in his comeback. He's a wonderful player, a wonderful person, and we believe in him deeply, just as we do in the rest of the squad. While Mothiba's injury sparked concern, the Sundowns boss stressed the issue is not serious and said this kind of things happen. You look at the Inter Miami versus Palmeiras match and you see a similar mechanical action with another player's injury. High-speed football carries those risks. Just like racing on the F1 track, sometimes accidents are part of the game. Cardoso remained hopeful the striker might still be available and said it's not a big injury. We are still waiting on final assessments and tests, but there's a chance he could feature. The problem is in the short turnaround between matches. Sometimes even a small knock can keep a player out. The kickoff is set for 3 o'clock local time, with Sundowns needing nothing less than victory against City, a champions to keep their club World Cup dream alive. Whether or not Mothiba is fit to play, the team will be counting on every ounce of resolve to outplace their South American counterparts in what promises to be a tense and critical showdown. On the other hand, the Mamelodi Sundowns forward Lucas Ribeiro Costa said they didn't come to FIFA World Cup to change their style of play and is excited for a special game against Fluminense. Ribeiro said, "For me, it's a special game. It's the first time to play this team from Brazil. We are playing to win this game. It will be a very difficult game like the Dortmund one. But the team is relaxed. It's not too much pressure in their minds. The level is very high here. The players are very focused for this game." Costa, who's among the favorites to win the Premier Soccer League football of the season, said that he is brimming with confidence, but what's made him happy is how they have stuck to their identity since arriving in the United States of America this month, and said, "I have the confidence at all times, but I'm very happy that I scored the goal, gave an assist for Ikram Reyners to score, but I don't speak about myself, but the group, we played very well. We fought together. For me, the most important thing is we play the exact same as we play in South Africa. We don't come here to change. We play, you see? So I'm very happy with my team." Ribeiro has been impressive in the 2024-2025 season with 21 goals and 14 assists in 50 games across all competitions. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.